So guys, this is a Hyundai i20. It makes a sound when you hit the brakes. So normally when your brake pads are still in good condition like this, look at that. Normally when they're still in good condition like this, you can't blame them. But your disc, when you feel it like this, you will feel lines just here over the edge. You just feel lines, you know, you must get skimmed and all that. Yeah, problem fixed. Then we're gonna put it back after it's skimmed, and then we're gonna try and test the sound if it's still there or not. Thanks.